Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers on your PC without using Bluestacks. Many players want to enjoy this popular endless runner game on a larger screen with keyboard controls. We will explore several effective methods, including alternative Android emulators and even direct PC versions, ensuring you can dive into the action quickly and easily. Let's get started. One excellent way to play is by using alternative Android emulators. Programs like Nox Player, LD Player, or Emuplay offer smooth performance and are specifically designed for gaming. Simply download and install one of these free emulators onto your computer. Once set up, open the Google Play Store inside the emulator, search for Subway Surfers, and install it just as you would on a mobile device. You'll gain precise control with your keyboard and mouse. Beyond emulators, you might find a dedicated PC game package that allows direct installation onto your Windows system. These versions often support keyboard and mouse inputs and full-screen resolution, offering a seamless experience. Always download from reputable sources to ensure safety. Additionally, some websites provide online browser-based versions of Subway Surfers, letting you play instantly without any downloads or installations. This offers a quick, convenient option. To truly enhance your gameplay, take a moment to customize your keyboard controls within your chosen emulator or PC version. This allows for more precise movements and quicker reactions. Adjusting the emulator's graphics and performance settings can also provide a smoother, more immersive experience. With these tips, you are all set to enjoy countless hours of high-scoring fun on your computer, dodging trains, and collecting coins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.